Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day today. Today, I'm going to show you how to spend the best $6 of your life. So as a car guy, we need to know what's going on with our car at all times. So I picked up this off eBay. It's the Portta Bluetooth OBD2 diagnostic. Plugs right into your car, and all you need is an Android phone with this Torque app down there. And with those two things, you can check engine codes, clear engine codes. You can keep an eye on temps and everything like that in your car with all the different gauges you can choose from. So let's go out to the Integra right over there. Plug it in, and let's see how this works. On a little side note here, I put up all my Honda Hot Wheels. So the workbench is looking better. But okay. Let's take this port. All you do is go to your car under the dash. Usually it's under the driver's side, but the Integras here are on the passenger side. Just like that. Plugged in. Lights on. Now let's go get the phone. Okay, once you got plugged in and you have the Torque app download, this is the Torque Lite. It's the free version. Does everything I need. Pulls up engine codes. You can clear them, and also has some gauges to it. I think the paid version you get a little bit more gauges. I'm not sure. I haven't really looked into it, but so what you're going to want to do is open up the app here, and then turn the car to the on position. So then we'll go here to the settings, fault codes, and then you can show logged fault codes, clear them. So we'll do show because I know there's one on here. These two. And then you got your two sensors. You can go to the web. This one doesn't have the SIM card. This is pretty much my OBD2 reader that I use, old phone. So you can actually have a backup phone. This phone was $30 or $35 when I bought it. But we'll just go clear codes. Cleared. And then just like that. Cleared the code. And now I'll show you the different gauges you can have for it. Let me get it set up real fast. Okay, these are the gauges I picked out. I got intake temp, coolant temp, fuel pressure, vacuum and boost, gauge, throttle position, and volts. My car's not boosted, I just thought I'd put it up there so people know that is one of the options. I got a air fuel readout, not sure how that'll work. And then also you can do digital readouts. I just did coolant, RPMs, intake, and timing. And also right here they have a 0 to 60 time. I haven't used this much as a gauge reader like this, so it'll be kind of cool to see how all this works. I used it one time for my wife's car. I was looking at the timing to see if it was messed up. But other than that, I haven't really used it. So let's go for a little drive and see how this works. So right off the bat, I didn't think it was going to work, but different cars will have different sensors already. So the fuel pressure doesn't work. But I got all the other ones. I had to change the volt. There's two different volt meters. So that one's at the OBD2 port. So yeah, let's just go for a little drive. So far, it's turning out pretty good. It's a nice setup to have. You know, if you buy a spare phone like this, $35, this is an AT&T Go phone. Put in your SIM card, download the app, and then take it out. Just like that. You have nice gauges off to the side. Everything seems to be working. Coolant temperature is coming up. You can see the throttle position sensor. It reacts. Everything's reacting really well. So this setup's really good. I like it. I like the digital readouts better. you know, and it's right up there in your sight of vision for $41 if you count the phone. I think it's worth it. You know, just the $6 even to have a code reader, so you don't have to run to AutoZone or O'Reilly's or anything like that. I think it's really good. We'll try the 0 to 60 out. I mean, this car's slow, so I'm not even going to try that hard. It's just a stock LS. It's my daily. So, even my Civic's slow, but whatever. So we have to get to a stop. There's a stop sign coming up, and we'll see how that 0 to 60 works. So I got the gauge pulled up here. Once it senses you're stopped, I think it'll say ready. So no cars, let's go. Oh yeah, 10.9. Woo woo. Like I said, well, that's pretty cool gauge. So after that drive, I just pulled over, started messing with the settings here. Got the coolant and the intake temp to Fahrenheit, and that was pretty simple. Just went here, went down to settings, and then units. And for some reason the Celsius was selected. And then also went to miles instead of kilometers. But there's a bunch of different gauges you can pick. So all you do is hold down, add display, and then you can do the dial style, a graph, or a display. And here's the list of different gauges you can choose from. There's a bunch of them. And it also matters what car you have. Newer cars will probably let you use a lot more of these. There's the list. Also in the settings. What did I just do? Oh, toggle logging. So I click that, and I think that will log each trip. Maybe your highs and lows for each of the gauges, I'm not sure. So in conclusion, I believe that is the best $6 you will spend as a car guy. It's a code reader, it clears code, you can watch a bunch of different gauges as you're driving, and for $6, that's a hell of a deal. And also, just go find a cheap phone if you don't want to use your phone. Android phone, get that Torque app for free. It's money. So if you have any comments, leave them down below. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. And until next time, peace out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you stayed to the end, comment banana down below. Peace out. I believe for $6, this thing is amazing. It's a code reader. It clears codes. It has a bunch of different... God. That was me.